In this video, you're going to learn the playback mode. All right, so let's go into the playback mode. And actually, we have two ways to do that. I'm going to show you both ways to protect and unprotect the videos. So as we see right now, the camera is recording right in the side. Right, we see every second the red dot. So we need to stop that. We're going to press the OK button, and we automatically stop. So we are ready to go into the playback mode. There's two ways. I'll show you once. You're going to press the menu once, and you see the playback right there. So we need to navigate into there. So we're going to press the arrow down right here. All right. And we are there. At that point, we hit OK. And we are in the playback mode. Now, the second way to do that. All right. Let's go back into the original way. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to just unplug it. Just when it turns off, plug it back again, and the camera again will start recording. So once again, let's imagine that it's recording and you want to go to the playback mode, second option. So we're gonna hit OK. The camera stops recording. We're gonna hit the menu, just hold it for an extra second, hold it. We are in the picture mode, we hold it back again, and we are in the playback mode. All right. At this point, it's pretty simple. We have the OK button, and we'll play. All right. It will play the video. So let me go to the next video. So I'm going to press right here. 5 seconds. Let's go to one of the video record, and right there. So we can see the file name, the 4K resolution, right? The day and time and all that information right in the file. At this point, if I press the play button, all right. So you have right there. I want to show you something else here. See right there, there's no lock. It means this file is unprotected. If I play the next file, you see the little lock there? Let's try to delete it. So I'm going to press menu once, move the arrow. I'm going to press OK. I'm going to go and press delete the current file. That's OK. Press OK. Then I press the arrow to say OK. I'm OK right there. And then hit OK. And it's protected. See, that file cannot be deleted. And it's very important. In case you activate the G sensor and you got into an accident or somebody crashed your car, that file will get protected. How do I unprotect that file? It's pretty simple. We're going to move this to the next, protect the file. We're going to press the OK menu, and here we can lock, unlock, or lock all the photos, all the videos. So this case we want to unlock it. So I'm going to go to unlock the current only, this one. I want to unlock that one. Press OK, and that's it. So if I go back, all right, if I go back into that one, see the picture now is unlocked. No more locks there. I delete all the lock. The other way around, I can lock a file by pressing menu once, navigate to protect, put OK, and lock the current file. All right, that's it. So if I get back into the playback mode, now we can see the lock back again. All right, as you see, it's pretty simple to navigate into the playback mode. Remember, there is two ways to get there, right? One from the main menu, another one, if you hold it 2 extra seconds, you will navigate into photo settings, and then the next one will be in playback mode. Thank you very much.